Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today is another fall DIY using some pumpkins and a beware sign from the Dollar Tree. This is all in your preference if you want to paint the front of the sign. I first sanded down the glitter and then I painted with some chalk paint. I'm hoping to sell this at the store that I have my things in. But like I said, it's all up to you. I painted the whole thing, and then as my sign was drying, I took my pumpkins that are also from the Dollar Tree and I cut them in half. Be very careful, obviously, when doing this so that you don't cut yourself or damage any tables or anything that you're working on. Once I cut them, I used my chalk paint again. It's the Dune color. And I only did one layer because I wanted the orange from the pumpkin to also show through. So I tried to lightly brush it on. And once I painted all of the pumpkins, let that dry. I use the stems of the pumpkins as well. I cut them in half and I add them on later on in this video. So once that was all finished, I then brought my sign back and I painted it brown. And once that dried, I added on a little black, kind of dry brushed stroke the black paint on. Then I found these letters. They were glitter letter stickers from Michaels. I've been waiting to use. I'm so happy that they actually fit on these pumpkins. So I cut out the letters for fall and I then stuck them on all 4 pumpkins. The ridges were a little difficult to try to push the sticker on, but it came out looking pretty good. So once that was finished, I then used my Gorilla Glue and glued each pumpkin spacing apart accordingly, however you'd like it. And you could even make them go a little sideways, like every other pumpkin. I wanted mine all to be straight, so I glued them on. I then also took the stems and glued them on also at the top. Then I found this cute buffalo plaid print ribbon at the dollar store and I made a bow with it. I have a how-to video on how to make this bow if you go check check me out and find that video there. I'll also have that linked in here as well. This time I added a few more inches. I added 2 more inches to each section of the ribbon to make a bigger bow. Very easy bow to make. I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. Easy to do bow. And I love the buffalo plaid. So I then glued it at the top of my sign. And I found some sunflowers at the Dollar Tree. There was a yellow one that I had left over from another project that I did earlier this year. And I put that at the top with my buffalo plaid bow. And then they had darker colored sunflowers that I grabbed, and I placed them on opposite ends of the sign, as you can see. I love the way this came out, though. I swear every single time I find something I want to do, I gotta sell it. So, but there it is. Nice and easy. Doesn't take long at all. But thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.